learnt about our number friends. So, these are the different numbers that we have learned. Now, let us see what we call the groups of numbers. So, have a look at these numbers. What are these numbers? When we start studying mathematics, these are the first numbers that we learn about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So these are the first numbers that we learn, and we use these numbers for counting. So these numbers are also called counting numbers. So the numbers starting from 1, 2 and so on. Not just till 100, even after 100, all the numbers that we first learn. So these numbers of this type, these are called counting numbers. Now, we also know that these numbers have a positive sign or a plus sign which is hidden, that is, which we normally don't write. So, 1 that we know is actually positive 1, that is 1 with a plus sign. 2 that we know is actually positive 2, that is 2 with a plus sign. Similarly, for any number, say 82, 82 that we know is actually positive 82, that is 82 with a plus sign. So these numbers are also called positive numbers because there is a hidden plus sign or positive sign ahead of these numbers. Now, another name given to these numbers is natural numbers. So these numbers are also called natural numbers. So these are counting numbers, natural numbers, and these are also positive numbers. Also, as we count further, the numbers increase, that is 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. So as I count further, the numbers are increasing. So let us look at our number family. So these are all positive numbers. So see, there is dot 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 after 9, which means it goes on and on. It does not stop at 9. Even after 9, it goes on, and numbers are increasing in this direction. So as I count further, numbers are increasing. Now, there was another important number that we learned, which comes before 1. What was that number? That number is 0. So the number 0, it is called the neutral number. Why is it called the neutral number? Because it has no sign ahead of it. These numbers are called positive numbers because they have a positive sign or a plus sign in front of them, which we normally don't write. But 0 has no such sign. That is why 0 is called a neutral number, and 0 comes just before 1. So 0 is less than 1. Now, if I take all these numbers along with 0, then we call them whole numbers. So 0 and all these numbers, which are natural numbers or counting numbers, together are called whole numbers. So 0 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, and so on. Also, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are also natural numbers. But 0 is not a natural number. These are natural numbers, but 0 is not a natural number. If I include 0 with these numbers, then I call them whole numbers. Now what comes before 0? Well, after 0, I have 1. So before 0, I have -1. After 0, I have 1 or +1. So before 0, I have -1. Before -1, I have -2. So on this side of 0, I have the positive numbers, whereas on this side of 0, I have the negative numbers. That is, numbers with a negative or minus sign in front of them. So see, these numbers have all negative or minus sign in front of them. And all these numbers are less than 0. They come before 0. The numbers are increasing in this direction. So all these numbers are less than 0. And these are all negative numbers because they have a negative or a minus sign ahead of them. And what are these numbers together called? These numbers together are called integers. So these negative numbers, 0, and these positive numbers, together they are called integers. So -8 is an integer, -7 is an integer, -3, -2, -1. These are all integers. Even 0 is an integer. 1, 2, 3, 4. These all numbers are integers. Also, if you notice that the numbers are increasing in this direction, so for negative numbers, the numbers are decreasing in this direction. That is, as I count further, the numbers are decreasing. So, -2 is less than -1, -3 is less than -2, -4 is less than -3, and so on. So for negative numbers, the numbers are decreasing or reducing as we count further. So -2 is less than -1, -3 is less than -2, and so on. So we have learnt the different number families. Integers are the negative numbers, 0 and the positive numbers. Whole numbers are positive numbers or natural numbers along with 0. And positive numbers are the counting numbers or natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So always remember it because this is a very useful concept. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.